Welcome to the tutorial overview of the proposed system for Apples and Cats Media in Columbia, Missouri. To invoke the full screen view of the application, simply move the cursor up to the caption area and double click. Once the application is in full screen mode, simply move the cursor to the lower tab scroll area and click, and as you can see, the remainder of the fields that are in the database come into view. Simply continue to click until you have the data elements that you desire to change in view. Then you simply go into that particular data element, move the mouse cursor, give it focus, and then begin to type your changes. To maximize the data entry portion of the application, simply move the cursor up to the caption area and double click. As you can see, quite a few more data entry fields come into view. You simply scroll to the desired data field, give it focus, press enter, and start typing. When you click on the Utilities tab, you'll see two other tabs that come into view. This particular tab shows distinct regions that are in the database, and this particular tab shows distinct states that are in the database. To return to the data entry portion of the screen, move the mouse over the data entry area and click enter. To invoke the menus of this application, move the cursor up to the primary options, click once. You see the reports menu options come into view. To get the weekly AirPlay report, move the mouse over that option and click once. To review the report options, simply move the cursor over the primary options, get the reports into view, and click the weekly AirPlay report. Then our report viewer comes into view, and as you can see, there are 4 pages to this particular report, and at that point you can go ahead and print the report. It understands and recognizes any printer that you have connected to your Windows platform. And when you're done previewing and printing the report, simply click on the close icon and you return to the application. To view another report of the application, simply move the cursor over the reports, then move down to the customer info by state, click once. And again, we have our report previewer, and this particular report also happens to have one of 4 pages. At this point, you could then go in and print the report. And when you're done, simply move up and click on the close icon and return to the primary menus option and the top of the desktop application. This concludes the tutorial portion of the overview for the proposed applications for Apples and Cats Media in Columbia, Missouri. Thank you.